the Big Wave Award. The Big Wave Award recognizes a team for their sustained impact on their community through effective outreach, entrepreneurship, and sustainability practices. This team prides itself on its pipeline through all levels of FIRST and into FRC. Their impact slithers to every corner of their state as they help teams stay engaged with FIRST. They secure tens of thousands worth of grants to ensure every community project and off-season event is a home run. Congratulations go to Team 498, the Cobra Commanders.